Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get more plays on SoundCloud. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google SoundCloud, and you simply need to log in into your SoundCloud account. So once you've done that, you simply need to open your profile, and basically you need to add an attractive profile picture and attractive cover. So once you've done that, you need to optimize your whole profile, your sounds as well, and you need to add the relevant hashtags as well. So once you complete that step, you simply need to share your profile and your sounds on the social media and collaborate with other creators as well, so that you get more exposure and ultimately you will get more play. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.